What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Teddy B, Blackman Reactions, and today I'm here with another reaction slash review slash unboxing. Not really unboxing because I don't got the box here with me, but I've had this camera for about 3-4 weeks now. This is the Sony A6000. This camera debuted about 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, maybe 2017. You know, do your Googles if you really care about that technical stuff. And what's attached to it is a 16 to 50 millimeter lens, and it comes with a 55 to 210 telephoto lens for your portraits and your landscapes if you care about stuff like that. Also comes with 2 batteries and a memory card, and this was a gift given to me. But if you retail this, probably around maybe $500 to $600 with all that stuff included, which I think is a good deal. It also comes with a photo editing software too, which I think is phenomenal. You basically have the whole package, you know, for this, I think on Amazon and Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. It comes with a bevy of options, whereas though if you never used the camera before and you wanted to get into photography, this would be the thing for you to use. So I'm gonna try to turn this around. Okay, so camera's turned around. It's on intelligent auto, which is basically auto mode. Every camera has an auto mode. What I like about this camera is not only does it have an auto mode, it has a superior auto mode, which means that it takes it to the next level for you. It does all the work you need to take a photo, whatever setting you're in. It notices it. The sensors are amazing on it. Basically, superior auto is photography for dummies, which is definitely what I needed. These next few options, every camera I feel like has them before we swing around to like more Sony exclusives, I think. Program auto, which sets the aperture and shutter speed automatically for you. Aperture auto, which is the range of the background blur for your portraits and etc, etc. The shutter priority, which is the shutter speed from slow to fast. Manual exposure, which when you get to become a professional level photographer or experienced one, you'll probably be shooting the manual most of the time. Memory recall, which basically will save your settings that you use in previous shoots if you want to save it, or if you don't want to save it, it'll remember it what you use to help you, you know, with a smooth transition to a photo shoot. Movie mode, every camera has this, but definitely like the movie mode. Panorama mode, I had never had this on the camera before. You take the camera, swipe it from left to right, and capture one picture which you normally can't capture in a full frame. When I go to somewhere scenic, I'm definitely going to use this mode. And it has a scene selection, which is crucial when shooting film and movies, because a lot of cameras don't have like a scene selection mode where it can help you adjust to your set and wherever you're shooting, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, it's going to bring us around back to intelligent auto. The screen that you see right there, it retracts out, it moves in and out. I'm not going to do that in here. Of course, you got your menu button, you got your flash, you got your ISO button, your display button, you got your timer button, trash button, everything you need to get started, you have that. This is a great camera in my opinion. Like I said, I've been using it for about 3 to 4 weeks now, and I'm going to be getting into it more. And this is my first time having anything outside of Canon, so I feel like this is, you know, it's basically me starting over all over again. But it's a great catch to me. So if I got any questions, I can leave them in the comments. You know, other than that, like, comment, subscribe. Please, please, please support the small content creators. And this is Teddy B Blackman Reactions again, and this has been my review on the Sony A6000. Peace.